Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. A quick update for the gold. After this bottom, the blue box has been hit perfectly, and we move toward the upside, of course, in double scenarios. Whether you are in 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, you're looking for this target 3456 or 3438. And another scenario is a finished already 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is your ending diagonals. This is your wave 3 finished and done there. And you're looking for wave 2, which is a little bit deep here, finished of course as an A, B and a C, very complex structure. And we can see, of course, it looks like an impulse, but yeah, I doubt that this is an impulse. I see here 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for an extended wave C, and we move simply toward the upside. And the final scenario, of course, that we have as an alternative, don't forget, of course, that you have a triangle W, X, and a Y, triangle for the wave Y, where you have finished, of course, W, X, and a wave Y in a triangle wave E here, potentially unfolding a new bull run here or a new scenario for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, higher possibility here is for a 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're looking, of course, to break this trend of the first triangle. And anyway, we already have a triangle finished with a wave E as well here as a scenario. And you're moving toward the upside. So very likely, of course, once we break this trend, we might see, of course, even higher prices after all. On the 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, that this scenario might be unfolding as a wave 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 1, 2 again. Wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards higher prices for the gold. And of course, the target, as I mentioned, for the gold might be, of course, the next wave 5. At least this is the priority as 3456. I would like to see, of course, this unfolding as a massive wave 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 to reach this zone area. Yep, so this is a quick update for the gold. Currently, if you are bearish, of course, therefore, this is kind of an impulse toward the downside, transforming, of course, this to a wave B, meaning, of course, we have to be careful as well from the 1-to-1 fib level, taken from the A to the B here. And in case we are in a flat or a zigzag, both have the same target, the 1-to-1 fib level. Meaning, if you are bearish here, you might hit the 3370 and start to move toward the downside impulsively again. If this happens, well, it's not totally bearish because the wave 2 can still be an ABC there and moving toward the upside, unless, of course, broken, and then we call a bearish scenario. Currently, you're still, of course, in a very bullish sentiment. Even if we dive a little bit deeper later on, we might still be in a big wave 1 and 2. That was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.